Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore social proof with Trustpilot review request campaigns step by step clearly. To restore social proof with Trustpilot review request campaigns, start by logging into your Trustpilot business account. Navigate to the dashboard where you'll find various options for managing your reviews. Select the Collect Reviews option to begin your campaign. Choose the type of request you want to send, be it automated or manual. For an automated campaign, click on the Automate Requests section. Here, integrate your email platform or choose an available integration. Ensure your customer email list is uploaded correctly for maximum reach. Craft a personalized and engaging email template that resonates with your customers. Incorporate your brand's voice and encourage feedback in a friendly manner. Include clear instructions on how to leave a review on Trustpilot. Set the timing for when requests will be sent out, ideally soon after a purchase or interaction. Review and test your email to ensure it displays correctly across various devices. Once satisfied, launch your automated review request campaign. For manual requests, go to the Customers section and select the customers you wish to ask for reviews. Click the Send Request button to initiate requests to those selected customers. Monitor the performance of your campaign through the Trustpilot dashboard. Keep track of incoming reviews and respond promptly to foster engagement. Adjust your campaign strategy based on the feedback you receive and the success rates of your requests. Continue to nurture your relationship with customers and encourage ongoing feedback. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.